What up? We're back. Dude, honestly, okay, I was thinking about this yesterday. Or tonight. Or last night, whatever. And I was thinking, what if I um hold till midday? Like 12 o'clock so the theta doesn't kill me. But after that I buy, right? I buy position based on orb strategy. Hold till 12 o'clock. Sell, try to make profit, and then that's our day. I mean, I was just thinking like I feel like I'm missing out on a ton of money because I'm not holding on to this, and this is just skyrocketing, honestly. So we might just get in super early today, which would be a shock. I do have to pee though, so I might take a pee, come back, and then we'll get into it. Because, the market ain't going nowhere. But I do feel a little bearish. This is a little high. But, you never know. It, I, yeah, like it opened at what, 70? Yeah, 47. Went down to 55. Okay. So, I'll be back. I'm gonna go pee. Alright, we're back. And it hasn't really moved much. Went down a little bit. Coming back up. Wow, okay. Just gonna for a position to get into. We're gonna wait till something happens, and then I will get back with you guys. So, although, oh crap, that was the low. But although there is, I want to. I don't even know. I feel like it could definitely come here, bounce back. If it does, make it all the way down here. It's either gonna bounce back or pass straight through. And honestly, if it does come all the way down here, how much volume there is. Sorry, there's more volume right here, down at near this peak and right here, but it might bounce back right here or could bounce. I'll come all the way down here and bounce back. But I'll be back, and we'll see later. I just want to see this from. I'm telling you, bro. If if you guys don't have volume profiles, I feel like that's necessary. Like I'm just saying, volume profiles are amazing. You know where all the stuff is coming from. You guys need it. I'm not gonna lie. I get literally bounce on this profile right here. On this one. Like that's crazy. You know? Definitely a terrible move. I think it's gonna reject back down. But or will it go up? That's that's something. Is there any news? Okay. Maybe that candle is safe. Should we buy here? It has made significant things. I don't know. I don't even know if I should. Fuck it. I mean, I don't know. It might come down to retest. I'm thinking about it. I want to see what happens. I'm not gonna lie. I think it'll come back down, back to right here, and then it could, like, you know, like retest or bounce back up, or it could just fall back down. You know? How is this price not moving? Oh, that's why. Okay. Will it continue to go up? That does look good. I might decide on based on this candle. I don't know. I feel like this is risky. It's not. I mean, I feel like it's gonna go down, but it doesn't really matter if it goes up or down. I just want to make money, you know. I have no idea. Like, oof. I wonder if it's gonna go back down here. I gotta say it. Let's take a go. Sorry, excuse me. It might. Now let's save this. Lots of selling. Lots of selling. Not a lot of buys, not gonna lie. Okay. I want to see another good candle. I'm also might mark out the next 15-minute highs and lows. This will probably be it. I don't know if it's going to move the next 2 minutes, but you know. I don't know if there's liquidity under this though, right here. Anyway, sorry. I wonder if it'll return back up. Dude, okay. This, I don't know if this is just me, but live account trading, scary, bro. Scary. If it goes up, I'll be happy because that means I'm right. I'm right. But I don't know if it will. Maybe it does, bro. Would you look at that? Okay. Oh. I do have this checklist that I made, Claude made. Okay. Let's see. Bullish bias. Was SPY gapping up? It did gap up, and then I went right back down and right back up. I'll check that as a yes. As a resistance target tomorrow or yesterday's previous high. Yesterday's previous high was no idea. I'm gonna keep it above. No idea. Did it get to 51 yesterday? I have no idea. Okay, wait. We can do this. It'll make it easier. Think this was yesterday's high, bro. It was up at. No shot. Oh. So it was this yesterday. 42, 40. Wait, let's go back over here to this 15-minute. Yeah, it's all good. Might wait till. Okay. We're gonna wait for this 15-minute range. Or wait. Or should I go back to the original 15-minute range? Does it really matter? This just gives it more stuff, I guess. But I feel like all that movement is gone. You know? Oh, I'll look it up. Should I be moving my orb 15 minutes every 15 minutes. We'll see what this says. The rolling channel or Dodge channel plot on the 15-minute chart. It's a valid concept. It's for trailing stops, trend following entries, but they answer the question, what is the recent range, rather than the price breakout of open. I'm trying to track ongoing volatility. Okay, so if I want to track volatility, then I'm going with the Dodgeman moving every 15 minutes. Or if I'm going with this, the breakout, which is what I want to do, I should stay here. And I do see this trend, right? This green trend. So I might just follow the trend. You know, trends are not meant to be. I mean, why not follow the trend? You know? But the trend is right this. It's also been 5 minutes to that new candle. So it doesn't really know what it's. I don't even know. I do want to try futures, I'm not gonna lie. I've seen a lot of people buying micro futures and being able to make really good money based off it. So maybe next week I'll do that for a day and see how it goes. I might switch up strategies. But I don't really know. I traded futures a little bit on this. And the last time I did, I had like a 10-minute delay or something. Oh, I have real-time data. Mini Dow. See, like, it's just frozen. You know? Yeah, 10-minute delay. Okay, yeah, I'm not tweaking. Yeah. 10-minute delay. So yeah, I don't understand, like... I don't understand. I bet there's some free... Is there... free... real-time... futures... quotes. Sorry, this is what I'm looking at right now. Alright. It won't matter. Here, actually. Oh, it doesn't matter. Okay. Yeah, whatever. No, I don't care. I don't care. Like, does this give me real-time futures quotes? That many. It does. Do see it moving, but it's still very slow. Or wait, I want mini S&P. It's delayed by 10 minutes. What was it? Pre-market futures, Bloomberg. Okay. Well, yeah. Like, what is this? How much is a micro SM? Sorry, excuse me. 137. How much might I have in cash again? 220. Or no, 225 because I have 1,000 in that thing. And what's it called? What's a stock SPY? Sorry. Yeah. Yeah. Okay. The only thing is, I would be liquidated. I'd be scared of liquidation, because that's what happened every single time I would try to get in, right? I would be liquidated, like, and I was always being liquidated when I was like losing money, and I was like, bruh, like I don't want to be doing that shit. When did this happen? Because I felt that was recent. Let's go to the day. What day was this? This was 6/2, a month ago. Hit the high. Oh, sorry, I'm on futures. Cash. Should we try again? I don't even know. Maybe it's a good idea. Here's the levels. Here's the volume. Or I mean, night doesn't really matter, but it kind of does. All volume is volume. Wow. Yeah. Does look like you jumping off a cliff, bro. How did they get? How high did they get it? Ooh, where's the 52-week high? They got to $11. Holy shit! No way. When? Wait, when? When the hell did they get to $11? Oh, last year. Oh, I thought it was recent. Like this is all recent. Immense. I don't even know what those mean. I'm gonna keep it a buck. Dude, this range looks really big. Oh, well, yeah, it did have this big drop. So I guess that makes sense. Is it gonna reverse? And there is a little bit of volume right here. So that could, or it's this volume that was skipped past and now it's going back up. Brother, who knows? Who knows? Who knows? I wonder if there's any trading strategies for futures or if it's like it's all the same. You know? Bro. Is there good faith violations in futures? In the futures. It's probably gonna go back up, maybe. Does not apply to futures trading because futures are traded on margin accounts, which are exempt from cash account settlements enforced by Federal Reserve Regulation T. Wow. Wow. Good thing I didn't follow the trend. That would have been idiotic. Last price? Yeah, I should go into it. It's probably already skipped past it already. I'm not gonna lie. Yeah, what the heck? 105? Here. What if we put it at like 160 something? 162. Alright, now we're in. We're gonna set stop loss. That'd be like $100. I don't wanna do that. Oh, I guess we are trying to. We are holding to a 12, so I guess it doesn't matter. Maybe that was stupid of me, but yeah. Wait, that was actually really stupid of me. I should have been looking at this chart. Because if I saw this, I would definitely not have gone into it. I'm not gonna lie. That's a big ass pullback. That was a massive pullback. That was a massive mistake, I think. This is also a big pullback. I'm not gonna lie. Wow. I don't know. Yeah, I don't know. Maybe it'll work out. We have like an hour 45 before we'll sell. Or actually no, I want a guaranteed profit today. You know, so this was yesterday's thing. We'll confirm. Dude, if it hits this, I'll cry. Okay, that would be minus like $100. I hope it doesn't reach that. But yeah, that was yesterday's. This was this morning. Or no, wait, I don't know. I'm talking out my butt right now. We'll just watch it. This is my only, this is what I was talking about earlier with this volume. It's having a lot of trouble breaking through this volume. I bet if it even gets right here, it'll still like, it might reverse back up. But yeah, it's having a lot of trouble getting through this volume. Lots of big money behind these. You know? And I bet there's even more money getting put on. I'm not gonna lie. It does show like a very big downtrend though. I'm not gonna lie to you. Have y'all, I don't know, I'm talking to myself of course, but have y'all seen like people turning like, I saw one guy turning $10 into, I think it was $1,000, and he was like doubling his money every day. I don't know how he does that. I guess I don't know how long he's been doing it. He probably said it in the video or something, but that like shocked me. I don't know how people do that. I'm gonna be so honest. I don't even know how people do that. Doubling their money every day. That would be crazy. I guess, was he? I don't even know if he was like full porting the thing though. He might. Wow. Yeah. Wait. What was that? That was the 15-minute. Or sorry, that was the original 15-minute low that it just tapped and then it shot back right back up. Tons of money behind it. Tons of money behind that line. It'll have an even harder time right here, and it might honestly reverse right there. That would not be good. I wonder what happened. I might pause it for a couple minutes, see what happens, or I don't even know. I do wanna manage risk a little bit. Okay, I'll do this because we're trying out a new strategy, which is holding until 12. I might just let it run. No stop loss, and if I lose money, you live, you learn. But I will also add whatever money we lose to today's like a gray day. Either it's either gray or positive, like a gray or a white day. Or I don't even know what, but because I do want to make sure I do have a stop loss, right? Because risk management is very important. So I don't know where I don't know where to put it. I don't know where I'm gonna put it though. I guess I already have it here, so that would be like $100. Or no, that would be. I can't do simple math, bro. What would that be? I think I have like. Man, 162 minus 56, bro. What is that? I'd lose $106, and I got paid today, so it'd be fine. But that would suck. 106. And I would just put minus 5 cents on the day. Because I don't know. No way it's gonna reverse like that though. It definitely could. It really could. But I'm hoping it doesn't. Bro, I tapped that and it just went straight back up. It's crazy. Okay. That's interesting. Will it fight its way back up to the high? That would be terrible. I really don't like that, honestly. It just, wow. It might skyrocket once it gets past this. I'm not gonna lie. It might skyrocket. You know? Oh well. Okay, I'm gonna pause it until like maybe 11. If I get stopped out, I get stopped out because I mean losing $100, like that's crazy. I'm not gonna lie to you. But yeah, okay. I'll see you in a bit. Wow, it's actually happening way faster than I expected. I'm not gonna lie. Like this is crazy candle. This is actually like this is crazy. This is crazy, bro. I'm so serious. That's crazy. Like my heart's hurting looking at this number. You know, like that's wild to me. But we're still gonna hold it till 12 or 11. So who knows, bro? Who knows? Who knows? I don't know, but I don't like this. I don't like this at all. It might actually return to that. That shit would be fucking wild. That shit would be wild to me. What if I reverse position? I don't want to reverse position. I don't even know if I'll have enough money to reverse position, to be honest. Like, that shit's crazy. Crazy. Wow. Ooh, wow. Like, I'm so close to getting stopped out. Absolute wild. Absolutely wild. I don't know why it's even giving me this little hope with this green candle. I genuinely have no idea why it is. I must think it's funny. must be a comedian. I'm not gonna lie. Just go ahead and shoot, bro. Shoot back down. I know you wanna. Anyway. Okay. Well, I mean, I'll be back. It's probably gonna reverse, but I'll be back. Okay, so I think it's been about 10 minutes. It came down, and now it's on the way back up. It's, again, super close to us stopping out. I'm gonna have to transfer money in. That's my guess. I just don't think it's gonna happen, honestly. Like, I thought it was gonna continue going down past this point, but I guess not. So, okay. I'll see you when I stop out. Alright, we're about 10 points away from stopping out. It'll close pretty soon. Probably in this candle. I'm not gonna lie to you. I'll just transfer whatever the realized profit or realized losses straight into the account because it's not really worth it. I wanted to try this. It might be a good idea some days. Like some days I'll either take a loss or I'll take an early loss or take a small early profit, and I'll check back later and it's always, oh my goodness, it's up to $3 when I sold it at $1.19, and it just confuses me. But I don't know. Maybe I'm just my strategy is just crap. What if I need a better strategy? What if like the OR strategy is just dog shit. I don't even know. So, good learning experience, I guess. It's given me a flickering of hope. I don't know why it does. I need like a Trump tweet or something to just shoot up this thing. But I don't think I'll get one. I think it'll pretty much stop out in this candle or the next candle coming. Just because that's how it's tending to look. Like, it's having a ton of resistance at this, like, 70 level. So it's just gonna go down. At least the rest of the market's doing good. Like, I have other stocks somewhere. So hopefully that's getting good. I think I'll actually be getting a dividend from somewhere. I don't even know where. I think it's like in Maine or something. I've like $30 in both of those, or not in both those, but divided between those. So it'll be interesting. Yeah. As you can tell, not a financial advisor, not at all. But if I do make it big, that'd be hilarious. If I do get a ton of money trading. I don't know. I feel like I need a new strategy. Or do I stick to the strategy? Because I've been doing the strategy for what's this episode today? 12? No, 13? So 2 weeks, 2.5 weeks, I think. 2 weeks Friday, I believe. So I think it might be a good idea to change strategies. Because this one isn't working. And, yeah, I mean, it's fine. The longest we have left for this trade is 1 hour and 15 minutes. And I'm almost positive we're gonna be making a can I speak? A chunk of our, what's it called? Paycheck, that's the word. Paycheck off of this week's job, But yeah, like, let's see. Like, I'm pretty sure the max we could lose here is 1.64 or 1.60. That's what I bought it at, right? 1.62. 1.62 at 1. Max loss 1.62. Max profit 74,000K. And that's if the stock dropped to the absolute zero. which SPY is never dropping to the absolute zero. The maximum I could probably get 10K. I'd have to say. Wait, no. 2K. Probably 2K. If it would drop to like 30 again. I know, I'm trying to do the math in my head, but it's not. I'm not smart. That's why I'm doing this. Bro, imagine if you had 100 shares on this shit, bro. Or 500. Oh my goodness. Absolute crazy, bro. Bro, this is just edging me, bro. I don't know why it's doing this. It needs to just stop out already. Then I'll end the video, put more money in. You know what? Yeah, okay. I'll put the money into futures, and then we can try that out. Because who knows, maybe futures is the way to go instead of calls, puts, options on SPY. You know? Because, who knows? Yeah, I'll be losing, what, 104? Who knows? Bro, I keep saying who knows. I need to get a bigger vocabulary. I wonder if there's a setting where you can auto-delete expired calls. Delisted. My goodness. See, I went all the way down to 738. What's a option, total volume, Oracle? What's the cheapest option there is? This one? IWN? I'm not gonna, I definitely could, or could I? Probably. I probably could. But I definitely shouldn't if I'm trying to stick to one trade a day and trying to secure, or not secure, what's it called? I don't even know. I'm just yapping at this point. I thought this would be over already, if I'm being honest. Oh yeah, it did just start. For $90. I don't even have $90, bro. That's fucking crazy. Crazy work, brother. Crazy work. I'd have to buy this and even that so if I can stretch. Just for shits and giggles, bro. What if I do? Doesn't look like it's going good anyway. Positions have been stopped out yet? How the fuck have I not been stopped out yet, bro? Oh my god, it was one thing away. Oh no, it wasn't. It was 5 away. But holy crap. It wants this video to be long as crap. Let's see how long it's been recording for. No way, 50 minutes? What the hell? Dude, I can't stop it now, can I? Okay, yeah, okay, I'll just pause it and then you'll see the stop out. It keeps edging the line. It keeps just getting ever so close. Ever so close. Ever so close. And then bounces back up. No idea why. Oh. It's getting closer. It's getting closer and closer. Okay, hit the all-time day low. When do it do it? When will it disappoint me? You know. Oh, oh! It finally happened. Minus 107.12. I'm gonna go ahead and transfer $107 from my paycheck straight into Webull, and then yeah, it'll be super fun, super fun. Um, yep. Hope you guys enjoyed the video today. Super long video because we were doing this dumb crap. But yeah. Alright. See ya.